If you want to free up space on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down, and you want to open Device Care option over here. Next, you want to go to Storage. You can tap over here. And of course, you will find a summary of your internal storage. You can also tap on Show More in order to find all of these different information about how much space is taken by specific app category. So you can of course clearly see if something takes lots of space. So if something takes a lot of space, you can actually tap on the category in order to see all of these files that belong to that category. And then you can decide to, for example, remove them. So if you don't need these files anymore, you can just delete it. Of course, keep in mind that apps usually take the most space. So if you go to apps over here, then you should be able to, of course, see how much space they take. And also you can tap on this icon over here that we have on the right side, like this half an hour with lines. And then you can sort by size over here. So you can see which apps take the most space. So if you don't use that app anymore, then of course you can just uninstall it from your phone. Besides that, here we have a couple of suggestions, like for example, duplicate files. If the phone detects that you have duplicates, then of course you can decide to delete all of these selected files. If you don't need these duplicates, then you can just delete it from your phone, and this is of course going to save you some space. We also have large files. Of course, this can be determined what should be considered as a large file. If you tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, then over here we have a large file size, and you can choose what is a large file for you. So then you can decide if you need those large files or if you can just easily remove them without worrying that you will not have them anymore. Now, other than that, what you can also do is you can find these suggestions over here, which you can also use. So for example, over here, we can get additional space by deleting all screenshots from the screenshots folder. So of course, you can review screenshots and you can decide if you need them or not. Here we have some additional suggestions. So of course, make sure to check them out if you have them. Also, we can see unused apps. So if you have certain apps that you didn't use recently, you can of course consider removing them. Of course, it's up to you if you decide to remove them or not. If you don't want really to remove them, then you can of course keep them. And also we have the recycle bin or trash. So keep in mind that if you remove something from your phone, most of these files, most of this data is kept in the trash for 30 days. And after 30 days, they are removed forever. So only then you get the space back. If you go to trash, you can decide before those 30 days, so before that time passes, if you want to permanently remove them earlier. You have that option to do so if you go to trash. So you can select all of these files that you are sure you don't need anymore, and you can remove them forever from the trash, and then you get the space back. And that is pretty much everything that you can do to free up some space on your phone. Also, actually, what you can do, one more thing, we're gonna go back to apps. Instead of removing apps completely from your phone, what you can also do is you can go to the app info of the selected app, go to storage, and then you can check how much data and how much cache is used by these apps. So if lots of data is stored by the specific app, you might want to clear the whole data or just clear cache. Now keep in mind that usually if you clear data, it removes pretty much every user data that is inside that app. So for example, your account data might be removed and some other settings. So you can of course consider removing them, but if you don't want to lose all the data, then of course you might not want to use that. But most of the time you can just clear cache easily and you can get some space back. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.